Good afternoon, my people, viewers, subscribers all over the world. I'm here again with a vlog, Me help out a person today, so I'm choose to give me back a same help and strength, Yeah. The land of my lease and I clean up, some treated on it, I want to cut down, so me help out a salmon today catch some board. In the next video when I go post and I see it, so I'm gonna give me back a strength, Yeah, I'm gonna cut down some of the tree them and lighten up the place so the sun can penetrate from them, Them peeps, see him there? If you don't want him to cut board or cut tree, link me up. That's your name, you hear? Yeah. See it, guys? Whole heap of space open up. Enough sunlight coming now, see? Enough sun coming. Yeah, man, respect for your strength again, board, man. Come catch some board for you. Yeah, guys, that's what we are in Jamaica for, A lot of good people out here, But you need to just put out some help and you get back in hand, See it, guys, as you can see in the background, a lot of upmove space. So, come back tomorrow again. Come do some more work cleaning up. Yeah. Yeah, guys. This is where my environment are gonna now be. So I'm gonna put in some little work, clean it up, put something on there, And once more again, thank you guys a lot, for the 200 subscribers. I really do appreciate you a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna continue putting in the work to watch you guys' content, comment, views, share content. Yeah. I'm out for now.